What? Oh, what? My package got here. Oh my gosh. Hey, oh my gosh, everyone stay calm. Are you okay? Are you okay?
Babe, look how cute this little pepper is. Have you ever seen it?
Oh my, why are you gasping like that? Stop doing that. What? Oh my gosh. Sarah just got engaged. Oh my, not while I'm driving. That's the what, are you the great Gatsby? Stop gasping all the time. It's dangerous. Oh my, you really need to calm down. It is not that big a deal. Seriously. Oh my gosh. That ring is huge. And you're about to not have a ring. I will leave you. Stop gasping all the time. Oh my gosh.